English becomes easier when you master this verb. Verb to have, to have. Like I say, this verb is really important. Verbs helps you to talk about your possession, your experience, and responsibility. Okay? And let's go to the present simple. And then give me 1 second. I take my shower, bro. I take my shower, bro. Of course, that's coffee. This more, I said coffee is my crazy thing, bro. I drink a coffee like 3-4 times a day, bro. I'm crazy on it, bro. I'm crazy on it. Okay, let's jump on a video, bro. The present simple. I have a goal. I have a goal. You must, bro. You must, my friend. Everybody must, bro, have a goal. Okay? The next one is I have time today. I have time today. That's why I'm recording my video right now, because I have time, bro. I have time. I'm free today. My free time is recording video. That's fun for me. That's fun for me, actually, bro. I promise you, go to the gym, recording video, that's my fun. That thing I like to do for fun. Reading book, go to the hangout to the park. Bro, I'm simple guy, bro. I guarantee you, I like the simple things, bro. I like the simple things. Let me clarify for you. That's for me. I like a recording video, fun for me. I like go to the gym, fun for me. I like hang out to the park, like a Central Park, like only park, bro. Only park, like how can I say, bro? Only park. Then near me at the Bronx, everywhere, bro. I like just hang out to the park, reading books and then walk, you know, bro. And then I like cooking, bro. I like cooking. I like cleaning. Bro, I'm crazy. I like the simple thing, bro. I like the simple thing, bro. Let's back to the video, okay? So you have I give you 2 sentences from present simple. I have a goal and I have a time, okay? So the next one is present continuous. Present continuous. Present continuous, you say, I am having a good workout. I am having a good workout, okay? So let's go to the past simple. Yesterday I had the leg day. Yesterday I had the leg day. Yesterday I had the leg day. Okay? So the next one, future. Future. I will have a results. I will have a results. Don't focus on results, my friend. Focus on process. That's the key, bro. I just give my opinion, okay? So the next sentence is I will have a discipline. I will have a discipline. I will have a discipline. Okay? Perfect. Nice. So the next one is present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect. First sentence is I have had a difficult moment, but I keep going. Okay? Nice. One verb can change how you speak. Don't forget that, bro. One verb can change your English. One verb can change how you speak. Pay attention, bro. Okay? So mastering this verb is really important. Last one to be, and now you have to have. Bro, user, like I say, just pick one sentence, one page, and use the sentences, bro. Just use the sentences in your daily routine. Adapt the sentences in your daily routine, bro. Like me is going to the gym. That's why I make some example in like go to the gym. Things I like it, bro. Things concern me. Like I say, things you do in your daily routine. Make the sentences in English and use it in your daily routine, bro. Don't make a fucking excuse like say I don't have an English speaker around me. I don't live in an English country. I live in Africa. Bro, everywhere you live, you have an internet. You have an internet. Like I say, your phone, you have your phone, bro. You have Google. bro, you have internet, you have YouTube. You can learn everything you can learn with your phone, my friend. I guarantee you, bro. You don't need to go to school. You don't need teacher, bro. You don't need teacher to learn English. Bro, don't make this excuse, bro. That's fucking excuse, bro. And you thought to yourself and you thought to your mind, I never be going to do it. I never be like this. I never speak English. I never be fluent. But because you have negative thoughts. You have negative thoughts, bro. You must have a positive thought. Bro, I want a coffee again. I want a shot again. Subscribe to learn to the next one. Like I say, every step counts. Stay strong. Bye-bye.